The government shutdown was only part of the problem facing air travelers today.
Some were also dealing with the first Midwest snowstorm of the season. Ian Lee is in Cedar Lake, Indiana.
Winter threw its first punch of the season, socking parts of the Great Lakes with over a foot of snow. Bands of heavy snow off Lake Michigan caused blizzard-like conditions in parts of Illinois, Indiana, and Michigan, shutting down schools and causing nightmare conditions for commuters.
Everyone was getting stuck in the ice. The ice is just really thick. This is really bad.
In Chicago, it was the city's first winter storm warning in more than 600 days. 3.5 inches of snow fell as the Windy City lived up to its name, with wind gusts topping 50 miles an hour, while northern Indiana got hit hard. Some areas there saw more than a foot of snow, including the town of Cedar Lake, where residents like Russell Stovall are digging out.
You weren't expecting this much snow?
Not at all, not at all. They called the kids off of school, the garbage didn't come, and then, I just started shoveling.
Is this a lot of snow for this time of year?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
You got clobbered?
Yeah, definitely.
The worst of the storm is over here, and things will largely go back to normal tomorrow, but it's on the move, headed to the eastern Great Lakes through midweek.
Okay, Ian Lee, thank you so much.
And Lonnie Quinn is tracking the snowstorm.
As well as plunging temperatures as well. Quite the picture there, Chicago, Lon.
You got it, guys. And it's snow and it's cold air, and they're both related to this northwest flow coming in from Canada. So the winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories, look where they stretch from. Anywhere from the UP of Michigan. Okay, you kind of expect that, right? They go all the way down to the southern portions of Georgia. All right, and the amount of snow we're talking about. If your area is shaded in purple, 5 to 10 inches possible. Lake effect snow, maybe 8 to 11 inches. And then those areas shaded in that bright pink color, 10 to 15 inches of possible snowfall. But it's also the cold air. So New York City could see their first freeze of the season so far tomorrow morning. And while that's ahead of schedule by a few weeks, it's not as big a story as where we see some freezing temperatures. Look at these possible records tomorrow. We're talking Jacksonville, Florida, hitting 29 degrees tomorrow morning. The record is 35. 30 for Baton Rouge, Louisiana. The record's 32. And for the southernmost portion of the United States, Key West goes down to 57. It's not a record, but they will tie a record. So no place is really warm anywhere on the eastern half of the country.
They don't know what to do with cold down there, Lonnie.
No, I don't think people have anything other than shorts and T-shirts. So.
Oh, well, get a blanket. Thanks, Lonnie.
Not built for it.